Hi guys, it's Mr.Wonderful, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own watermark for free without any app. So let's begin. First you need to go to a website called makewatermark.com. Once you go to that website you can see this picture edit watermark by someone, and then as you can see there are two options called watermark for free and start make watermark. You're just gonna click start make watermark here, and as you click it, we need to select an image to watermark it. So I'm just gonna select an image from my computer. I'm just gonna pick my YouTube logo, which is this, and then after I upload it, there's an option called next step. By clicking next step, we can make our watermark. So click next step, and then there are two more options called add text and add logo. In this step, we can make our own watermark. So I'm just gonna click add text. This is shown here sample. I'm just gonna type Mr. Wonderful. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick up a font now. Architect's daughter and a size. I'm just gonna pick this size. A tile, a diamond tile. Yeah. If you wanna change size like this and this, I'm just gonna do like this. And if you wanna span it, you can do like this, and then you can rotate it if you want. And then you can add an effect like this. Yeah, so if you need to remove that text, there's an option right here called remove text. Let's see, by adding a logo, I'm just gonna simply go back and clear images to clear the image that I have uploaded, and select images again from my computer and take another picture like this and click next step, and I'm just gonna add a logo from my computer, and then I'm just gonna add my YouTube logo, which is right here, and then you can put it right in here, so that, and by putting like this you can tell others can see that this photo was taken by you, or this photo is owned by you. So this is the end of my video. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also wait for updated for my new videos. Bye.